Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I want to share with you my favorite way to do an alternative to a starting chain. It feels like we all learned the starting chain to turn, or the turning chain is what it's called sometimes, to work our projects. And it's fine, however, for whatever reason, it works out fine. But there are better alternatives. So I'm just showing you an example. I have a swatch here, a panel here, really. It's the lemon peel stitch, except I'm starting with a double crochet in the first stitch. So if I were to do a turning chain 2 for that double crochet, then work my single crochet, and so on, there's a gap here. There's a bend. It doesn't look as cute, right? If I were to do my turning chain and do a double crochet in the stitch, in the same stitch, and don't count it as a stitch, I'm going to get a bulge here, right? So this is what I do instead of a turning chain when I'm working double crochets. For single crochet, I still do a turning chain 1. For half double crochet, I do a turning chain 1 as well. I just feel like it looks better that way. So I will do a turning chain 1. But if I'm working a double crochet or bigger, like a triple crochet, I like to do what I call a long chain. You'll find this in my patterns a lot because I use it for working in rows like this and working in the round anytime I'm using a double crochet. So to do a long chain, all you have to do is pull up your loop that you have at the end of your row or round. Pull up that loop about the height of your double crochets. Then you just chain 1 and turn your work. So you just got a chain 1 there. It's just a little bit longer than your typical chain 1. Then I am going to do a double crochet into this exact same stitch, the first stitch. And as you can see, it is about the same exact height. Then I'm going to do my row as normal. So single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. And that long chain makes my edges look super straight and clean. I don't have any gaps. I don't have any big bulges. It just makes it look so nice and clean. And that is what I do instead of a turning chain 2 or turning chain 3. I really just like it, and it's super easy. You don't have to learn any sort of other stitch or anything like that. It's just a long chain. You pull up a loop long about the height of your double crochet and chain 1, and it gives you this nice edge. Let me show you how it looks in the round. So here is the back. Let me get the back. Here is my Reed Raglan sweater. This is a men's sweater pattern. You can find it in my shop. I use the long chain for this project so for this one, you're working in the round. It's a raglan top down. You're turning every round though. So you join to your first stitch, and then you do a long chain and turn and start working in your next round. And as you can see, it makes it nice. You do have a seam, but it's very straight. It's not hardly visible. It just looks nicer than if you've got turning chain 2s. You'll get little gaps here and throughout the seam and all that. So it works in the round too. I love to use it for round or working in rows, and it's so simple and easy. And you just work your double crochet stitch, or in this case, this is a herringbone double crochet, same thing. You work it in the first stitch. So that long chain, the starting long chain will not count as a stitch. You're going to work your double crochet into the first stitch. And it just gives it a nice look with no gaps. And then you have this nice panel here, and it looks So much better than with a turning chain. So if you see the long chain or the LCH abbreviation in my patterns, that's what that is. Super simple, and it looks really nice. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them for you. And I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate all your support. Have a wonderful day.